Hello, my friends. My name is Sammy, and I am just some guy in my kitchen sharing stuff and things that I find interesting to me. Today, I want to share this technique that I developed this year, and I have termed it my fundamental fingers of prayer. Fundamental fingers of prayer. This is just an introduction, okay? So I feel like with more equipment and with better production skills, I'm gonna like dive into why I have formed this technique and how to use this technique in your prayer life and to further your faith. So there's 10 fundamental fingers. You have 10 fingers. So the first finger is going to be faith. The second one is going to be freedom. The third one is going to be focus. The fourth one is going to be your fitness. The fifth one will be your family. The sixth one will be your friends. Your seventh finger will be your finances. Your eighth finger will be your future. Your ninth finger will be forgiveness. And your 10th finger will be fulfillment. So here we go. First, you pray for your faith. Second, you pray for your freedom. Third, you pray for your focus. Fourth, you pray for your fitness. Five, you pray for your family. Sixth, you pray for your friends. Seventh, you pray for your finances. Eighth, you pray for your future. Ninth, forgiveness. 10th, fulfillment. So there's a reason why I ordered them in that sequence, and I'm really fascinated by how they progress and ultimately end with fulfillment. So again, I'm just a guy who posts stuff and things that I find interesting to me. If this is useful to you, I really hope it takes your faith to a new place. My faith has taken me to many places, and I feel as though it'll take me even further. I'm no expert. I'm not ordained to be a pastor, bishop, or proclaim myself in any way to be, a clergyman or something. But I am just like you, navigating this life and this world and your unique circumstances, just as you are. So I hope that this technique is going to help you improve your faith, improve your prayer life. I hope it's going to be able to help you develop a rhythm or a sequence that you can meditate with and pray with. It keeps you balanced, it keeps you grounded, and I feel as though this is something really worth sharing. Once in a while, I'll be sharing, on these various platforms. I'll be sharing, stuff and things that are random, like football, basketball, other things, retweets, memes, whatever. But today I really felt as though it's important to share something about my faith. Okay?